Korea is one of the most famous places where people want to visit. Today I will tell you the top 3 famous attractions in Korea. The third place is Seoul Tower. When people visit Seoul, a lot of people visit Seoul Tower. Its position is almost at the top of a mountain. So going up to there, you could take some photos and do exercise. When you go to Seoul Tower, you can see Seoul from there. When you go there at night, the view is very beautiful. The price is a little expensive. It's $13. The second place is Busan. Have you heard about Busan? Busan is the second most populous city in Korea. In Busan, you can go to the beach. Also, there is a place called Kamcheon, which is a European-style village. People call it the Korean version of Santorini. Finally, the first place is Gyeongbokgung. Gyeongbokgung was built in 1395. It was destroyed, bombed, and was rebuilt for several times. Gyeongbokgung has a beautiful view and there are many things to see. I went there with my family and it was the best palace that I went. Also, you can visit there with a traditional Korean clothes called a hanbok. Their price is $2.4. Today, I told you the 3 places you should visit when you come to Korea. Thanks for listening.